Hi, welcome all of you to VS Robotronic. This is my second video. Previous I have been uploaded one video about what is Arduino. I'll put the link on description so you can go through that and watch it. In this video I'll introducing this breadboard. So without taking more time, let's go into the video. Here you can see our breadboard, also known as project board. We can see there we have many slots in the breadboard. So in this middle slots, you can see in this middle slot the connection goes like this. Okay, in these middle slots connection goes like this. That means vertical. But you can see here it's small cut, that means these two sides are not connected, but these 5 pins are connected, so we can connect all these 5 pins together. In these two sides it goes like this, that means horizontal. From this picture it's easy to identify about breadboard. Now I'm going to make a small circuit on our breadboard. For that I am using 3-volt battery like this, LED light like this, it's blue in color. Also I use 2 jumper wires. On these jumper wires there we have 3 kinds of jumper wires. It's male to male, male to female, and female to female. This is and male to male jumper wires. We can use jumper wires very easily in our breadboard without using normal wires. Now I will give negative for here. I got my 3-volt battery and I give this negative connection for here like this, and now I will give positive connection for here. So okay, I attach these negative and positive. Now we know how connection goes in our breadboard. Now I take my LED bulb. You can see and I will attach onto our breadboard like this. It's very easy. Okay, I simply attach it to our breadboard. The positive sides in here, this is the positive and this is the negative side. Now I will take my jumper wires, and I will attach this orange color for positive one like this, and I will take this black color jumper wire for negative. I connect it to negative side like this. Now I attach it into the previous I said this is the positive side, this is the negative. Now I attach it into positive. Okay, now I will attach it on negative. So that's it, we can see our LED was now on. So that means he got the power, and negative and positive power he got. So that's all about breadboard. So guys, now I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you will subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, like and share. Also don't forget to comment. So bye, see you in next video.